Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one we'll be reviewing and installing the Auxito LED lights. So these are a direct replacement for your factory bulb, whether low beam or high beam. Alright, in this video I'll show you the installation, and after that we're going to go for a drive and compare them to the original factory bulb. Alright, let's open it up. Okay, it comes with some zip ties, probably for the wires, instruction manual, and both bulbs. So these are gonna directly replace the low beam and high beam. Since on my car it's a 2011 Chevrolet Cruze, the low and high beam are in one bulb, dual filament. So that's what I'm gonna be replacing it with. Alright, like the original one, this is a 3-wire bulb. So low, high beam, and ground. And these are direct replacement for any 9008 or H13 bulbs. So if you have the low and high beam in one bulb, dual filament, this is most likely the bulb that you're gonna get. Alright, so no specialty tools required. This is gonna be a pretty simple installation. So this is our low and high beam bulb here. So first thing is we're gonna disconnect the electrical connector. So we're gonna push this gray tab outwards and then pinch the green tab towards the bottom. Like so. Alright, now to take out the bulb, so we're going to turn counterclockwise to release it. Like so, and then pull out this. And there you go, that's the original bulb, it's out. Alright, once you remove the old one, make sure you remove the rubber gasket that comes with it. So sometimes it gets left behind, so make sure you remove it. This one fits on top here like this. Because when we go in to put the new one already has one, so we don't want to put double gaskets. It's not going to fit properly. Alright, same thing for the installation. There's some tabs here that we're going to line up with the tabs in the headlight assembly. And then when they're all in, we're going to turn clockwise to lock it in place. So here we go. So once it's in, it locks in place, and you could shake it to make sure it's in. And now all that's left to do is connect the electrical connector. This tab facing up towards the green tab, and make sure it clicks, and that's it. Alright, and the final step is we're going to clean up the wires. So with the zip ties they gave you, we're going to go ahead and zip tie it to a wire that's nearby, just so it won't hang. So this one looks okay here. Like this is okay. As long as it doesn't wobble around while we drive, should be fine. So we're just gonna cut off the excess. That's it. So overall, I'm very pleased with these LED lights. I've noticed a big difference, especially at night while driving. The bright white LEDs help you see the road very well instead of the yellow halogen ones. And it also gives the car a more modern look. It also helps on the highway when going over the exit sign. So if you're looking for LED lights on your car, click the link in the description below. So head over to Auxito.com and pick whichever LED you need for your car. They have a bunch of options. They have reverse lights, brake lights, side marker lamps, low beam, high beams, DRLs, dome lights. So once again, click the link in the description below and use coupon code ONETRICK to save 15% off your order.